Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Python 3. X is installed and reachable from your path. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and install the official Python extension so VSCode can detect interpreters. Next, open the project folder and create a new file named main. Py or similar, then save it immediately so language features activate. Make sure to select the interpreter in the bottom left or via command palette. This gets you from 0 to a runnable file quickly and avoids later configuration pauses. Once you've saved your Py file, choose the interpreter with command palette right arrow Python. Select interpreter so VSCode uses the correct runtime. If you need isolation, create a venv with Python mvenv. Venv, then activate it. This ensures pip installs go to the project. To run, click Run Python file in terminal or configure a launch. JSON to enable debugging, breakpoints, and environment variables. Make sure tasks and integrated terminal point to the same interpreter to avoid confusing outputs or missing packages. To finish, run your script and use the debugger. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code to verify behavior. If nothing appears or imports fail, confirm the selected interpreter matches the environment where you installed packages. Mismatched path are the most common issue. Also check the integrated terminal uses the same shell and activation. If problems persist, reinstall the extension or delete and recreate. VSCode/launch. JSON. That single interpreter mismatch fix resolves most runtime surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.